All right, so let's look at this think, pair, share. Um, if you've given it a try, if you haven't, give it a try first. But let's take a look at it. So this is drawing two cards from a 52 card deck with replacement. So a card is drawn from a standard 52 card deck and replaced. A second card is then drawn. What is the probability that both cards are hearts? So, we can define event E to be the first heart. And then the second event, event F, is to be the second heart. And this problem says that we've got replacement. So this is with replacement. So that's going to imply that these two events are independent. And because they're independent, that means when we're calculating the intersection of these two, we can just multiply the probabilities of each single event together. So the probability of event E occurring is going to be the order of E over the order of the sample space times the probability of F, which is the order of F over the order of the sample space. All right, so let's take a look at what event E would look like here. So here is our sample space. And event E, this is going to be a heart. Okay, so here is event E. And so what's the order of E? There are 13 cards in one suit. So the order of E is going to be 13. And our sample space is out of 52 cards. Now, we took that card out of the deck, right? We took that first card out of the deck and we put it back in. So we started with 52 cards, and now when we draw our second card, we're also going to have 52 cards. So we know that when we look for our second heart, that the sample space will not have changed. It'll also be 52. And even if the card that we first drew was a heart, we put it back in. So event F is going to look exactly like event E. And so the order of F is going to be also 13. And so now when we can multiply these two fractions, we can cancel a 13. Well, let me do this here. So we've got 13. Now 52 can be written as 13 times 4. And I can do that on both denominators. And so a 13 here will cancel with a 13 there. And a 13 here will cancel with a 13 there. So what we've got left in the numerator is just 1. And in the denominator, we've got 4 times 4, which is 16. That shouldn't have moved. There we go. And 1 out of 16 comes out to 0.0625, or the probability of E intersect F getting two hearts in a row with replacement is going to be 6.25%. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.